Mic test. Okay, yeah, I think I'm live. Okay, let's do this. Hey, so guys, I'm live again. Okay, so I need to go through some practical tests. Let's see. Okay, so right here. Hi, welcome Nicholas Fang. W in the chat. Yes, indeed. W in the chat. More like I want to sleep on a bit of a pocket of time to revise today. Okay, and I guess you have to. Okay, so let's put it up. Um, PE2, let's see what we have. I heard that 23, 24 is worth doing. I think I'll do the one on the fruit store. So let's do this one. Uh, yeah, I think that's worth doing. Uh, the- the one this and 10th of April solutions will be out. Okay, I won't see the solutions. Yeah. Um, let's just put this. Okay, and yeah, we have 2 hours, but in reality, I only have like 1 hour to revise. I still need to eat lunch, tap out for myself some nice food. So yeah, let's begin. So first order of business is V2. Is it V2? I think it's V1. Um, okay, that's one. Java. Yeah, sounds about right. Okay. Yeah. So let's first my bin folder here. So that now that you've been, I can open it directly and we can begin. So write a functional interface perishable with this thing as expect compile. Okay. It's been a while since I did Java, so uh yeah, let's do it. Write a perishable interface. So I'm guessing we need to do this like this. Perishable Java. So uh perishable method get days to expiry. There's a lot of days. So it should return an integer. Um, number of days. So something like this, I guess. I do not know if I have not done Java in a long time. I don't know if I need public over there. Write another name, yeah, name. So write Java interface name returns the name of icon string. Then let's write Java script and one that fruit also. So write a Java class fruit dot uh public class fruit. Has two fields named and so name found uh private and original uh very public. And looks like we need a constructor, so we have a public root and it takes in the name found and operational value found and this set going found goes in found uh and it's dot value found x value found. Okay, this is good. Try column. Okay, and it must have methods. Three methods: get name, get days to expiry, and two string. So public. Let's see how I want to do this. I don't know if they want us to. I don't know if we should implement the things. Uh, let's not implement the name and perishable yet. But let's just say we get string get found. I don't know if this works. I haven't done functional programming in Java in a long. I haven't really studied it. But let's just try it. Get days to expire because in the number of days, which are days to expiry. I don't know if this works. Let's try. Return expiry and lastly override public string. But in this case, we want to return uh, uh, get name plus dot plus bars in get um, it should work. Doesn't yeah, I need to check the functional interfaces. This one- Okay, I'm gonna check the answer because it's more of a syntax thing. And um yeah, I'm gonna check the answer for this because I actually don't know how to do it. Okay, that is not right. Ah, so you literally just call it like this. Okay, sure. And let me just check if the interfaces need to be public. Okay, so the interface doesn't need to be, oh, it should be integer. I think I'll leave it as capital integer for now. Um, and class doesn't need to be public. Um, so let's just, yeah, so this is just, works, and this should work, right? Oh, okay, and this works. Yeah, okay, so let's go to test two. Okay, so test two requires us to food stall, which is Java. Um, okay, so we need a food stall. And we have to add the type parameter, our type parameter. Let's see the question now. Okay, so we see that the method body must contain a single return statement. Is it function programming? So write a class fruit store, T is a subtype of fruit, right? So I think the way to do this is I forgot how to do this then. Um T extend fruit. Okay. How do I access a T? I generally forgot. I'm gonna peer the answer. This is not a good sign, but oh wait, it's just T extends fruit. Right. No, you don't need a wild part check. So just T extends fruit. Um Feel as a list T that keeps track of the fruit store. So this T uh and should I call it anything? Let's just see. Do I need to call it any specific thing? I don't think so. I'll just call it L. Let's call it so. And we should be private, right? By default. So two constructors, one that takes in a list of fruits and store in the fruits field. That's how this should be called fruits. So the constructor one. Wait, do the constructors do they define it in public? Yes, they do. It's a small kind of notational stuff, so public fruit. So at least takes in list of fruits. So list fruits. It stores in the fruits field. Okay, I'm gonna go with this first. You have a feeling where you read a word so much in code that it starts to look weird. Like fruit suddenly looks a bit weird. The one that takes in empty. I think something like this. Okay, empty list. Let's just use what this one. I don't think this will compile, right? Because fruits, a list of fruits. Yeah, I don't think this will compile. Let's try. Let's try. So let's abstract. So let's initialize it with array list, like, I guess. Uh, and then the list of nothing, right? Yeah, that's what I thought. List of fruits. Okay, let's see what is initialized with. Over here, we have a list of fruits. And passing fruit over here, so T is fruit, so you can do that. Here we have a list of apples, and we initialize the fruit store with list of apples. So actually, over here, what we really want is a T. Right? Thinking? Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. That sounds like makes sense. And this would now not initialize an empty list. Uh, so Rusty. Uh, well, the initialize everything is let's just use array list and go in nothing. Okay, that works. Let's try compiling test to here is where I need to make sure that I compile install also. Okay, so actually no, actually okay, so you see over here, right? In line 31 on test over here, I'm actually passing in the list of apples to this fruit. So T here actually what I want is extends T, right? Because can have a list of fruits. I can construct a list of fruits, a list of apples. Okay, so yeah, that works. So now I need to have a list of now I need to have a method called get fruits. Uh, I need to have a method called get fruit. Find fruit by name and a two string, right? So this is going to be a list of T. Uh, this I think, and this gonna return a list of fruits with a given name. So list of T with the given name. This gonna be return stuff with the uh, I'm not familiar with the functional programming stuff, so we are gonna need to study that. So there's we need to do everything in a single line, right? So is it we need to convert it to iterator? I think we do. I think iterator is the one. Yeah, I think we need to turn it into a string. Yeah, we need to turn it into a string and then we filter and we select. So that's the pattern. We need to turn it into a string of filter. And what do we pass in the filter? We pass in the lambda, right? So f f dot uh f dot java. We see that f dot get name goes to name, correct? Right? String. So, uh, so we need to return so we want to return fruits dot fruit got map. Each fruit gets mapped to a string called f dot get name. Actually, it's just f dot. It's just that, right? And do we put a new line? I guess we will put a new line. And then it will be like it works. Uh, string dot connect dot. We need to kind of flatten it. String Java, string Java. With, where are all of that stuff? We have a filter, we have flat map, we have a for each, we have a map. There should be a flatten kind of function. Uh, oh yeah, I think it's collect. I think it's collectors to this. So I think this will not compile. This should not compile. Yeah, so I need to pass in something different. Okay. So in this case, line 4 actually will say methods dot think that's what I need to do. That seems to make sense. Do I need to import letters something like this? Or that, okay, so actually this one, the collecting function, a mutable reduction. Um, so I need to put something that, okay, so it's a list, it's a stream of t, right? I need to turn it into a, what's the collector do? T is the input, right? And then accumulation type and the result type. So see some examples. Yeah, I think I need to collect. Can I specify this as a connector or functional interface? Oh, it's called connectors.join. Actually, this need to be something like that. I think this what? I'm kind of curious what the correct answer is supposed to be like. Yeah. So we are supposed to use collectors. Oh, we should use the dot equals, not the double equal. Mhm. And I guess we should use reduce. Yeah, I should learn how to use this reduce function. It seems quite useful. Okay, I'm gonna eat lunch. So, okay, this is gonna turn into a loop now. That's very good. I'm gonna eat the egg in one piece because I don't want it hot. Yum yum. That was nice. Okay, let's continue. Java 3, Java test 3. Okay, that's a lot of errors. Hmm. What do they say about test 3? Right, a static method merge stores, public static method merge stores, product merge stores. Oh, the class 2 for. So static merge stores and takes in two fruit stalls as arguments and return a new fruit stalls with both. Right? So uh, fruit stall of I guess fruit merge stalls, fruit stall scans fruit. Let's just call it A and fruit stall uh and let's call it B. I don't know if this works, but let's just try. Mm, concatenated the order in which they appear at input stalls. So if I go on Apple 192, then comes a 192. So I don't know what so if I see the fruit stall class, We can get the fruits. I think there's a merge kind of thing. Let's see what the stream API says, right? So I think there's a join stream. Yeah. Yeah, you can concat two streams. Oh, it's a static. So I can literally do a stream dot concat, a dot stream, and we dot get fruits. Dot fruits. Okay. It's okay. Merge stores here. Now what do we need to do? We have to Q5. Q5.java. We have to what do we have to lazily? Oh no, we have to write static method to find class find public listing. Takes a list of fruit stores and returns a list of unique fruit names so that those stores sorted by alphabetical order. So a list of fruit stores. So list of fruit store. I'm gonna say extends fruit, a list of fruit stalls returns so let's say I have two fruit stalls here, unique fruit names, list of unique fruit names. I'm pretty sure there's a stream dot unique, right? No? Or is it a collect? It's a collecting name. Or is it a string reduced kind of thing? Oh, this seems kind of hard. I don't know. It could just be a spiritual. Names, right? So not values of fruits. Hmm. I actually don't know how to do this. Um, Not at least not in the functional room. Find foods by name. You kind of need to you want to find we want to take every name and when I search the thing and then when I collapse it down, right? Like by picking the first. So how do we do that? We can I guess this is a list of food stalls. For a list of fruit stalls, we can find all the uh okay we can find get all we can get all the fruits, right? And we can convert them into streams. Okay, actually, okay wait. Here's what we need. We need to now we have a list. So at this point, right, we have a stream of stalls, right? Stalls, and here we want to have a stream of we want a kind of like a stream of fruits, right? But this would work, right? Because we need for each thing for each store, I need to get store dot get fruit, right? Dot stream, right? Does this make sense? So now I have a stream of fruits. And I want to turn a stream of fruits into a stream of fruits. Um, yeah, I want to turn a stream of fruits into a stream of fruit. I want to turn a stream of stream into a is flat map supposed to be that. Returns a stream consisting of replacing each element of the stream with the. No, it doesn't seem like flat map, right? Like actually wait, it does, right? Flat map. Yeah, actually it does. Each flat map it takes in a function that maps each t to a stream of R and then gives you a stream of R itself. So actually, yeah, flat map is what we want. Flat map. So it's not for each over here, rather it's flat map. And now instead of having a stream of fruits, we have a stream of fruits. And now we can do uh map each fruit to fruit dot get. I'm pretty sure there's a unique function. Is there a unique function? No. Uh, there needs to be a there must be a. I guess we can do a reduction, but Java. Oh, is it called distinct? Yeah, it is. It's called distinct. Yeah, this is a list of this is a string of names, distinct names, and I can do a dot collect collectors dot. Okay, it kind of need Q6 or so. Wait, what's wrong with it? Cannot access Q5. Oh, I didn't compile the Q5. Q4.java, Q5.java, Q6.java, 7 dot. Is that Q7? Yeah, there is. There's even Q8. Q6. Okay, so that Q6.java. Q6, it was Q61. Q6 wants us to consolidate by store type. Static method, public, static this. So what is return? Returns a list of new consolidated food stalls. So list of food stalls. I'm gonna guess is this. For now I just say wildcard. I don't know exactly what the type is gonna be. It's in a list of fruit stalls. Stall. I'll just do something like this for now. Uh, for each of the foods, for each of the. Oh, so you kind of want to. So previously you actually do want to sort, but I forgot something to do five, which is that I need to do sort. Sort. Is that down? Collectors. Oh, before blah blah you do that. Issue. Where is collectors important? Retail dot stream dot collectors. What's wrong? Oh, I misspelled it. Silly. So I probably think we probably sorted. Yeah. Um, I need to pass. Install the Java. This needs to pick the list of fruits. So install. over the pipe and I asked him dot collectors dot to I think I hope that will how really up to collectors. So you know, collectors are this is okay that works. Q6. Okay, so over here we need consolidate. So how do we do this? Consolidate food stores by so we're gonna do something like this. So you see that over here it's separated by commas, right? So honestly we're just sorting, right? A list of consolidated food stalls. So okay, yeah. So we want so first of all, we want to first map it down into a list, into a stream of fruits only. So we have something like this where we do a flat map for each store, dog, cat, fruits, dog stream. Just convert everything to a stream, right? You generally want to that generally makes life easier. Then you get sorted. Um, I guess over here, you do you want to get name? Yeah, I guess over here you kind of want to sort by name. So for each fruit I get. Let's just say we sort by string. I say I get name. And the question now is how do I segment it out? Uh, it's kind of tough. I can get a unique this thing. And this will give me a stream, right? But it won't give me a number. Let's see. Let's uh consolidate. Thinking what if I just do it happily and just count the number of each one. Huh, but that doesn't seem nice. I could do a map onto a pair. Let's see how the answer key does it. Okay, so we find the unique fruit types for each one of them. Okay, let's do to list. Okay, let's do to list like that. Oh, I should do something like that too. Yeah, I'm learning a lot of things. So for each of the unique ones, so I actually do something like that. Uh, okay, that's challenging. For each of the unique ones, this is basically a for loop that yeah. So it's okay to have all of these are immutable anyway, right? So it's okay to have oh, hi Zhao Wei, sorry I didn't see you come and hi enough. I had this really nice let me click the receipt. This really nice thing from Town, truffle sukiyaki. Truffle sukiyaki. It was really good. Yeah, I totally recommend it. Yeah, totally recommend. Very nice. And it's on offer. I think it's on offer. So the price now is 15 for truffle sukiyaki. Really, really worth I think. Yeah, welcome to the stream. Um, yeah, so thanks Anna for the well wishes. Um, yeah, so okay, I'll try to code this out myself. Um, so over here, I guess we need to, I guess over here we kind of have the right idea. We have the list of now we have a list of names, right, of fruits, and for each one of them, I want to map each name onto entire stream, right? So, and the entire stream will later be converted to this. So now this the entire thing will be the thing inside here, map each name to a stream. And that's where we can use I think over here we had function in Q in fruit stall.java. We had a function called find fruit by name. Yeah, so we can do uh so for each one of this we want take all the stalls there are and we want to do so we want to convert all the stalls to streams. And for each one of them we want to for each one of them we want to get a list of fruits. So for each one of them, install, I'll say, Uh, yeah, so now I have a stream of stalls. Now I have a stream of lists of fruits, right? I have a stream of list of fruits. Yeah, and so now, actually no, now I want to, for each one of them, I want to convert to a stream. So actually, what might be better is if I do store dot find fruit by name dot stream. So now I have a stream of fruits, and actually I can do eh, yeah, and I want to filter by name, right? Stream of fruits, and if I do a flat map, then I'll have a string of fruits. Then I can do over here. I can do is that what I want? Do this? I think so. I think this it. Is this it? Java compile Q6 Java. Let's see if this compiles. No, it doesn't, and that's because in line 11 I did fruit dot get name. Oh, I sorted. Oh wait, this is small complaining about. Oh wait, if I Jay, do I really need a sort? Oh yes, I do. Yes, I do. Sorted. What goes into sorted? Look at string sorted. A comparator is in T. Comparator. What's the comparator taking? Comparator. The functional interface. Oh, I need to take in two stuff. Okay, what's the? Yeah, I need to take in two things. So let's just call it X and Y or F and G and F. Uh, compare to G dot. Which should be fun. Let's try this. Oh, name over here is not so I should know. Yeah, I think this the word to list. Aha. Okay. Oh, right now they're complaining that. Oh, okay. So the thing is that right now I have a list over here, but what I need to do is I need to create a food store with this list, right? I think, and that should compile. I hope. Uh, list of fruit store cannot be okay. Kept one. Okay, so now it's honestly just a matter of this typing. Let's see what the consolidated food store sitting takes in. So FS3 is a food store of many fruits. This one is mango. Last one is devil. Devil, mango, and fruits are all considered fruits. So so I guess this one should it should extend fruit. Uh, yeah. So probably extend fruit here. That only makes sense, right? Hmm. Okay. So let's see what's wrong here. Um, S gets converted into a string. Over here we do type inference. I think we need to give some type hints. Right now it say that cap2 extends fruit, and then cap1 extends cap2. Where does this cat one come from? What if I just remove this and just say that anything can be. Oh, that actually works. I don't have to compile though, and we won't know until we do Q7. Let's just quickly do Q7 then. I only have around 10 more minutes before I need to go. So yeah, is that the last question? No, Q8 is the last question. Okay, let's try to rush through it. Write a generic class that implements comparator, allows comparator of two food stalls to see which is shortest day to expire among all their foods. Okay, so uh, last Q7 implements variable, I think. Uh, I don't actually know what this comparable food store, compare two food stores. And this must, okay, that's what we say. This must override public in compare, and because I did that, I must A and food store B. Um, yeah, so it compares the two food stalls to see which food stall had the shortest day to expiry among all their food. So okay, so we want to sort by, we first want to sort the two things, right? So we want to do something like A dot get foods dot green dot sorted, and for each one, um, can I do sorted on a list? Java list sort, Java list sorting. Yeah, I can, I think. Um, Man, it's okay. Let's just sort the string that is fine. Um, so for each food, I want to get their for each food F and G, I want to compare their expiry, right? So what's the function called again? Um, Java get days to expiry, days to the expiry. And in this case, I want to return a compare to G dot get days to expiry. I think this should kind of make sense. Yeah, so this makes sense. Yeah, let's return one for now and see if this compounds. Let's click on it. Um, Q7 is abstract and does not override compared to full stop. No, it's not comparable. Sorry, it's comparable. That is a type object. Wait, what? Isn't this sorted? That type of type object? How is F an object? Isn't F clearly a fruit? Um, store dot get fruits dot green dot sorted. Anyway, this should make sense, right? I don't know what's wrong here. F&G foods. Oh, it's something with a fruit stall. Wait, isn't F&G foods? I'm a bit confused here. Um, in the interest of time, I'm going to check the answer. Yeah, I should learn how to use reduce. Right? Reduce seems quite useful. But yeah, what's wrong with this? Oh, wait. Of course, I forgot to. That's good. It's a raw type, right? I forgot to do that. I guess I shouldn't ignore the compiler warnings. The compiler did try to warn me over here. So it should be working now. Comparator, food store of things that extends to. Yeah, this should be good. Yeah, okay. So I should get this, and then I should do the same thing for B, and I should get the minimum. Okay, so they only care about the shortest date, right? They don't actually care about the so this dot um reduce. Okay, so I think this would be a good time to learn how to use reduce. I think this will be a good time to learn how to use reduce. Let's have an initial element and then an accumulator. So yeah, I think this will be the last thing I'll do. So it starts off with the max value, and then for A and B, it returns left dot min AB, and this gets compared the same thing on this end. Yeah, I think that should be fine. Um, no. Uh, or A is already fine. Let's not use that. Let's say X and Y. Simple method for reduce. It must be a stream, right? It is a stream. No, it's a salted shrimp. It's not. What am I doing now? Yeah, I'm gonna comment out this part. See if it works. Um, and why does it not work? Uh, oh wait, I know. Cause I'm stupid. This should be. I should do a dot net store. Store. No. Get net. Fruit. Fruit dot get is correct. And then I do it dot. Okay, yeah, that clearly works. Okay, I'm gonna leave it like this for now. I'm gonna return because I'm gonna go for another class. And yeah, I'll